guys, so I just went to sit down and do a first impression on the Soft Glam, and I looked at the time and realized that I procrastinated again. Another day of filming just flew by me, and now I have to leave in 40 minutes. So instead of turning the camera off and saying, fuck it, I'm not gonna film, why not film something else? So I have exactly 40 minutes to film a look. We're just gonna jump right into it, obviously, because I don't want to waste more time. It is 2:50. I have to leave by 3:30, maybe 3:35. I need time to get a coffee and return something. So we're gonna try to be quick. So if you want to see what I create in 40 minutes, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we are going to get started. I've done my brows already. I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color, I know it goes by numbers, 4. And I forgot how nice it was. We are going to start on the eyes. Gonna go in with some Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35, and I'm going to cut out these brows. Should I move you guys in a bit? So that is done, and we are going to move on to eyeshadow. Usually most people would automatically go with like neutral tones to do like a quick look. Should we do an orange look? Let's do an orange look. I'm gonna go in this one right here, which is called, I don't even know, it's a ColourPop color, and I have to put a magnet over top of the word, so sorry. I now have only a half an hour to finish my face, so pray for me. Anyway, I'm just taking this orange color and just basically putting it all over my lid. So we are going to take, I think, another ColourPop color, and I'm so sorry, I don't know the name of it again. And I'm going to work this on the like outer corners. Look how pigmented that is. Do you guys see that? So I'm just tapping some of the product right on the outer corner, and then we're going to brush a little bit into the crease. And then I'm just going back in with the brush that had the orange on it and just making sure that it's blending. This is just 2 colors I'm working with, guys, so like don't feel like you can't achieve like a glam, like full out look with a small time period. Now I'm just building it up. Kind of want to just keep it matte, just like that, and add some liner because we ain't got time for anything else. So just going in with some liner. This is the Brushstroke Liner by MAC. I'll stop the line like right at the hood or just a little farther, and then go straight across afterwards. Okay, my liner's on and we're hoping it's even. I'm just gonna brush a little bit of the orange this way, just a tiny bit, just making sure it's all blended, and then we are going to move on. Since I'm throwing lashes on, it doesn't really matter what mascara I'm wearing, but I'm taking the Extended Play. We are going to go on to lashes. Lashes, my gashes. Okay, we are back and lashes are on. Am I in focus? I really hope that I'm in focus. Okay, we are moving right on to foundation. I'm not even gonna prime. I already prepped my skin with the mineralized Charged Water Gel. Why do I feel like I am not in focus? So Charged Water Gel and then Vitamin C Under Eye Cream by MAC, both by MAC. So we're going on to foundation. I'm taking the tiniest bit of this, like the tiniest bit. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, the tiniest bit. It just gives me like a semi-matte finish, and I have been so like glowy and oddly oily lately, which is so strange. It's ever since I've gotten back from Jamaica. So I don't know what the Jamaican air did to me or sun, but I mean, Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm mixing it with. This is the Face and Body C6 formula. Oh my god, I'm getting things everywhere. I'm just kind of rubbing everything into the skin, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Don't ask me why, just decided to go with it. We are moving straight on to concealer, taking the Water Weight Concealer by MAC. And just making sure that my beauty blender is super wet. This concealer is honestly the bomb. I have not found anything like it. It's super watery, but it has amazing coverage. I've been obsessed with it. I cannot put it down. So to set my under eyes, I'm taking the mineralized loose powder, which they are fucking discontinuing, and I literally cried when I heard, but we're still gonna use it until I have none left. So, and until I find another powder that's kind of similar. So this is the mineralized loose powder, and at the moment it's 40% off at MAC, online and in stores, I believe. I know it is in stores, but give it a try before it's gone for good. So sad. It's literally the only powder that does not make my under eyes like crepe and look way drier. They actually look better when they're set. Like, it's crazy, and I have really dry skin. So if you guys have used the mineralized loose powder by MAC and you know of another powder that would kind of be in comparison to it, please let your girl know, because I want to cry. Oh my god, I'm using another freaking product that's being discontinued. Why, MAC? Why must you do this? This is the Select Sheer Powder in NC45, and once again, it's a beautiful fucking powder, and MAC is getting rid of it, so I hope that they come out with something similar in the future. I'm gonna bronze. This is not being discontinued, so don't worry, gotcha. We're gonna bronze our face. Let's use this brush. Don't know where it's from. I think it's from like my brush set, whatever. And I'm using the Next to Nothing powder in dark, and I'm going to press this all into the sides of my face. Nikki Tutorial uses this. I started using it before she did, but I mean, sure. No, I'm just kidding. I feel like it's honestly the best product to bronze with, because it's the most like sheerest, beautiful, light like powder. So if you just get it in a few shades darker than your skin, it literally just goes on so beautifully. I have about 8 minutes. I should have made this into a challenge, but I feel like people would have laughed if they saw the title. 40-minute makeup challenge. Okay, I'm taking Hush Tone Blush by MAC. It's Extra Dimension Blush. Has a little bit of a glow to it. Love it. Okay, we are going to spray. When I say spray, I actually mean shower. Okay, before we powder highlight, obviously you guys know I have to use Perla by Anastasia, their Liquid Glow, and I just put a little bit on the back of my hand and press that into the sides of my cheeks with the Beauty Blender. And I just absolutely love how this like melts into your skin. And then we are going back in with that brush with the bronzer on it, just the remaining, and kind of just blending the two together. Okay, and then we are going in with the Hyper Real Glow Palette, and I'm taking the middle one out of the 3. Morphe M510 brush. This color is everything. Like, look at that. Then I just pinch the brush that I'm using and make it into like a fan brush. And then I just kind of glide it on the bridge of my nose. I don't like to make like a line or anything or a dot. I just kind of like that. I feel like this camera is really washing me out, and we're going to highlight the brow bone. All right, we're taking a little brush, and the orange color that we applied at the top is gonna go all in the lower lash line. Then I'm taking a little angle brush and going in with that maroon color and kind of using it as a liner on the farther ends of the eye. Actually, okay, so, and then last but not least, I'm going to use a little bit of maroon mascara on the lower lash line, and this is also by MAC. I don't know what came over me, but I'm wearing a nude lip, and this is called Lady Be Good by MAC. And then just before that dries, I'm taking the color Liar by Urban Decay, and this actually has more of like a purpley finish. And there we go. I feel like I need a little bit more blush. Just going back in with that Hush Tone color. I feel like the highlighter just kind of took over everything. Yeah, I just finished this look and it is time for me to leave. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.